Hi students, today we are studying about the next exercise, that is last exercise for this chapter, that is chapter number first, real number. Okay, see the exercise number 1.4. First see that the question, without actually performing the long division method. All of you know that the long division method, okay, that is division parts. Okay, now state whether the following rational numbers will have terminating decimal expansion or a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Means here some examples are given. This one is stated that what some are the terminating decimal numbers or non-terminating repeating decimal expansions are there. Okay, in that see first. Rational number, all of you know that in the form of what? P upon Q. And here Q is equal to, suppose, 2 raised to n, either 5 raised to m. Either both the numbers. In the denominator is what? In the form of 2 raised to n and 5 raised to m. That time having the what? Rational number. That is rational terminating decimal expansion. 2 raised to n and 5 raised to m. मीन्स अगर डिनोमिनेटर जो है वो 2 रेज टू n एंड 5 रेज टू m इस फॉर्म में होगा, then the expansion, that is the example, is what? Terminating decimal expansion होगा. Okay, next suppose in denominator 2 raised to n, 5 raised to m and one more is the number, that is any number, suppose 7 raised to 3 other number भी है तो वो जाता है नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन में. ओके, सपोज डिनोमिनेटर हैविंग ओनली वन नंबर, दैट इज 2 रेज टू n, means 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, any number. That time also this one in the form of terminating decimal expansion. Okay, now see the examples. Here 13 upon 3125 means P upon Q. P and Q both are what? Co-prime. Co-prime means what? Both the numbers are, that is only one is the what? HCF. That is common factor. One is the common factor. That is P and Q, both numbers are not any table. Okay. See. Example 13 upon 1325. 13 is the prime number, right? Now first you find the factors of 3125. Okay, see here 3125 factors, already I have to find it. 5 5 5 5 5. How many times 5? Here 1 2 3 4 and 5. So here you write it what? 5 raised to 5. So 13 upon 5 raised to 5 in the form of 5 raised to m. So therefore this one what? Terminating decimal expansion. Okay, understood? Now see the same, that is second number example. 17 upon 8. 17 is the prime number and 8. You have to find that first what? Factors of the 8. Okay, so see here 8 factors, 2 2 2. How many 2s are there? 3 times 2, right? That is 2 raised to 3. That is in the form of what? 2 raised to n. So here also what? Terminating decimal expansion. Okay, see third number example, 64 upon 455. 64 means what? In the form of 2 raised to what? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32 and 32 to the 64. Means 2 raised to 6. 64 means what? 2 raised to 6. And next upon 455. Here 455, by using the prime factorization method, you have to find the what? Factors. See here the factors 5, 7 and 30. So here you write it 5 multiply 7 multiply 30. Okay. See only what? Denominator. So see here denominator is what? 5, 7 and 13. Okay, 5 is there. Okay, but what about the 7 and 13? Okay, here q is equal to what? In the form of only 2 raised to n and 5 raised to n. That time I got terminating decimal expansion, either non-terminating. Okay, so here 7 and 5 is there. So what is the answer? Non-terminating decimal expansion. Okay. Now see the next one more example, that is 15 upon 1600. 15 means what? 3 multiply 5. Right? 3 5 the 15. And then factors of 1600. See, you already find that is 1600 factors. Okay. So see how many times 2? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2 and 2 times 5. So here 2 raised to 6 multiply 5 raised to 2. Right? Now see here in numerator 3 multiply 5. So 3 multiply 5 upon 2 raised to 6 multiply 5 raised to 2 means 5 into 5. Right? So here 1 5 get cancelled. So in the remaining 3 upon 2 raised to 6 multiply 5 raised to 1 means in the form of 2 and 5's power. Right? So here this is what? Terminating decimal expansion. Okay. Now see one more example, that is fifth number example. 29 upon 343. 29 is the prime number. So here you write it same number, that is 29. Next 343. Here already find the what? Factors. 7, 7, 7. Here 3 times 7. So 7 raised to what? 3. Okay. Now here 7 raised to 3. That is other number. Right? So 2 and 5 is not there. That is 2, 7 raised to 3. So here directly you have to write what? Non-terminating decimal expansion. Non-terminating decimal expansion. Okay. Now see the next question. That is same question. Question number 1. In that having what? 6 number example. In that having 10 examples. So 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So see first here 6 number. Here 6 number is what? 23 upon 2 raised to 3 and 5 raised to 2. That here see in the denominator part, in that having what? Already given 2 raised to n and 5 raised to m form. Right? So here you have to write directly answer, that is what? Terminating decimal expansion. Right? Now see 7 number example, 129 upon 2 raised to 2, that is 2 square, 5 raised to 7, 7 raised to 5. Here, is it okay for the 2 and 5 in the form, right? But here one more number is there, that is 7 raised to 5. So here, therefore what? Non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Okay, because what? Here one other number is there, that is what? 7 raised to 5. Now see the next, that is 8 number, 6 upon 15. 6 means 2 multiply 3 upon 15 means 3 multiply 5. Right? That is first you find the what? Factors. Now see here in numerator and denominator any cancel it. So here 3, that is 3 3 get cancelled. So what is the remaining? 2 upon 5. Now see the denominator is in the form of 5. Okay, so therefore here what? Terminating decimal expansion. Okay, next 9 number, 35 upon 50. 35 means what? First, that is 5. 5 multiply 7. Right. Next 50. Already you find the what? Factors. 50, that is 2, 5, 5. means 2 multiply 5 what square. You see 2 either here 2 5 5 5 and next what here 1 5 is cut. Then what is the remaining? 7 upon 2 multiply 5. Now see the denominator part, both are in the form of 2 and 5. So here this one also what? Terminating decimal expansion. Okay. Now see the last example for this question number first. 77 upon 210. Okay. 77 comes in what? Which table? 11. Means 11 multiply 7. That is 77. Next 210. Here first you find the what? Factors of 210. Already you find 2, 5, 3, 7. Okay. So here you write it 2, 5, 3 and 7. Now see the numerator part and denominator part. Here 7 cut. Okay. Then what is the remaining? 11 upon 2, 5 and 3. Okay. Now see the denominator part. Here 2 and 5 is there. Okay. But here one other number is there, that is 3. Okay. So this one directly answer you write it what? Non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. This way you have to write what? This way you have to find that what? Which are the terminating decimal expansion or which are the non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Okay. Okay, now see the next question, that is question number 2. Okay. Write down the decimal expansions of those rational numbers in question number first above which have terminating decimal expansion. Okay, so already you have to solve that what? Question number first. In that having which are the terminating decimal numbers. See, in question number first, in first, second, fourth, sixth, 8 and 9. These numbers are the what? Terminating rational number. That is terminating decimal expansion. Okay. See, I just only have 4 examples. That is first number, second number, fourth number and sixth number. Okay. And then 8 and 9 homework. Means ये आपको solve करना है. Okay. Here मैं ये 4 examples solve करके दे रहा हूँ. Okay. See here. Write down the decimal expansion of those what? Rational numbers. Mean decimal. So here first of all, जो भी denominator में है वो 2 raised to n and 5 raised to m इस फॉर्म में आपको कन्वर्ट करके लेना है. इसमें n and m जो है वो पावर वो दोनों भी सेम करके लेना है and then after you have to solve it. Okay. See, I have to solve one question. That is first number. 13 upon 125. Okay. Already you have to solve that first number in that what? 13 upon 5 raised to 5. Okay. Now you see in denominator 5 raised to 5. So remaining what? 2 raised to. Means 13 upon 5 raised to 5. That time you multiply it by 2 raised to same number, the same power, that is 5. And that time numerator also you multiply 2 raised to 5. Okay. So see, here denominator and numerator, both the numbers you have multiplied same number, that is 2 raised to 5 upon 2 raised to 5. And then solve. See, 2 raised to 5 means what? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. Okay. Means 13 multiply 32. 2 raised to 5 means sorry, 2 raised to 5 means 32. And next, denominator 5 raised to 5 you multiply 2 raised to 5. Now you see power both are same, right? So power same, that time what? The base multiplication means 5 multiply 2 and you have to write power 1, that is 5. Okay. Then see 13 multiply 32. So with the multiplication 13 to the 26 carry 2, 13 to the 39, 39 plus 2 that is 41. Means multiplication what? 416 upon 5 multiplied 2 raised to 10, 5 means 10, and 10 raised to what? 5. So 10 raised to 5, that is 416 upon 10 raised to 5 means what? 1 and 5 times 0 means 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then after it convert into in decimal. So here first you write what? 416. Next, how many zeros are there? 5. So count that here, 1, 2, 3, then 4 and then 5, and then after here point and then 0. So what is the answer? 0.00416. This way it convert into in decimal form. Okay. See the second number example. That is 17 upon 8. So 17 upon 8. So 17 upon 8 means what? 2 raised to 3. So here 2 raised to 3. So multiplied by what? 5 raised to 3. Means it convert into in what? 2 raised to n and 5 raised to m. Okay. So next 17 multiply 5 cube upon 2 raised to 3 multiply 5 cube. Both the numerator and denominator multiplied by 5 cube. So here first 5 cube means what? 125. That is 17 multiply 125 upon 2 multiply 5 raised to 3. Right? Now multiplication. So 125 multiply 70. 17 5 the 85, carry 8, 17 to the 34, 34 plus 8, 42, carry 4, 17 1 the 17, 17 plus 4, 21. So what is the number? 2125 upon 2 multiply 5, that is 10 raised to 3, means 2125 upon 10 raised to 3 means 1 and 3 times 0, that is 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? Here you write it 2125. After point, 1, that 1000, that is what? How many zeros? 3 zeros. So here 1, 2, 3, that is point. So what is the answer? 2.125. That is the answer. Okay. The next example, that is fourth number example, 15 upon 1600. Okay. Is equal to 15 upon 2 raised to 4 multiply 10 raised to 2, either in the form of 2 and 5. That time here what? 2 raised to 6 multiply 5 raised to 2. Okay. So see here 2 and 5. Here 2 raised to 6 and 5 raised to 2. Means you have to multiply by what? Next 5 4 times. Right. So 15 multiply 5 raised to 4 upon 2 raised to 6 multiply 5 raised to 2 multiply 5 raised to 4. Right. Now see here both the base same. That is what? 2 raised to 6 multiply addition of the power. That time what? 2 plus 4, that is 6. That is 2 raised to 6 multiply 5 raised to 6. Now here 15 multiply 5 raised to 4. We know that the 5 cube means what? 125. Again 125 you multiply by 5. That is what? 625. And then multiplication of the both the numbers. So see 600 to 5 up multiply 15. 15 5 the 75 you carry 7 30 30 plus 7 37 carry 3 15 6 the 15 90 15 6 the 90 90 plus 3 93. So what is the number? 9375 upon 2 multiply 5 raised to 6. Okay. Then 9375 upon 2 5 the 10 and 10 raised to what? 6. 10 raised to 6 means 9375 upon 6 times 0. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So first you have to write what? Number 9375. And then how many times zeros? 6 times. That we count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then point. So what is the answer? 0.009375. Okay. Now see the next and the last example for second question. See 23 upon 2 raised to 3, 5 raised to 2. 2 raised to 3 and 5 raised to 2. Okay. So here 1 5 required, right? Then power same. So 23 multiply what? 5 raised to 1. Here also 5 raised to 1. And then see 23 5 the 150. Right? 115 upon 2 raised to 3 and 5 here what means 5 raised to 3. Both same. Okay. Now 115 upon 2 multiply 5 raised to 3. So 115 upon 2 5 the 10. 10 raised to 3 means 115 upon 1 and 3 times 0. That is 1, 2, 3. Right? Now see, here the number 115. So how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So count that here 1, 2, 3 point and 0. So what is the answer? 0.115. This way you have to find that what that is rational numbers convert into in decimal form. Okay. Now see the last question, the question number 3rd. Okay, and then after chapter finished. See question number 3rd. The following real numbers have decimal expansion as given below. In each case, decide whether they are rational or not. If they are rational, then what can you say about the prime factorization of their denominators? Denominators means what? Suppose in the form of P upon Q, then you have to say that what? Q is equal to. Okay. See the question. First, 43.123456789, and here end, right? That is what? Here remainder becomes 0. So 43.123456789 is the terminating decimal number, right? Terminating. That is what? It is the rational number. It is a rational, right? Rational means what? In the form of P upon Q. So here for Q, what? If they are rational, then what you can say? So Q, for Q, we can say that the prime factorization of Q in the form of 2 raised to n multiply 5 raised to m. This one you have to say about the prime factorization. Okay, so here 43.123456789 is the terminating, that is rational number. Okay, second number 0.120 1200 12000 12000. Okay, here see that here 10, then 20, then 30, then 40. That is what 10 what added, and here dash 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 means this number is the what? Irrational number. Okay, irrational. So don't say about the what for Q. Okay, so directly you have to write what? Next question, that is question number 3rd. Okay, see question number 3rd. 43.123456789 and full bar. Bar, that is what? Repeated numbers are there. That is again here 1 to 9 numbers are there. Again 1 to 9 numbers. Here remainder never becomes 0. So therefore this is not non-terminating repeating decimal. Non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Okay, so here non-terminating, so not in the form of what? P upon Q. Either you have to write P upon Q form. That time here what? For Q, we can say that the prime factorization of Q is not in the form of 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m. Why here not you write? Because non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. Okay, here only when the rational number is given, that time in the form of P P upon Q, you write it. Okay. So all of you understood for this exercise.